The Ground Vehicle Systems Center is DoD's research and development facility for advanced technology in ground systems. Our goal is to ensure that our future warfighters have unprecedented and unmatched capabilities at their fingertips and remain the dominant power on any battlefield under any conditions. GVSC has a workforce around 1,800 engineers, scientists, researchers, and support staff, working closely with the PEO or Program Executive Offices, delivering advanced technologies as required by the Army's strategic priorities and in support of its cross-functional teams. So here at GVSC, we are focused on all things ground vehicle related for the Army. This could be anything from new vehicle technology, power and mobility, force projection, survivability, electronics and architecture, cyber engineering, and software integration. The three key areas we talk about in this video are additive manufacturing, autonomy and robotics, and electrification. GVSC develops these technologies by connecting with industry and defense stakeholders with the Army's expertise in ground vehicle technology development and integration. As you hear more about GVSC, I hope you are interested in what we are doing and how you might be able to partner with us to support our warfighters.
I am part of the additive manufacturing sustainment team. We look at additive manufacturing in terms of spares and repairs parts for either in the field or through DLA, procuring parts outside of the traditional sources. So my role here is to look at the critical path, which is the engineering chain, where we take parts from, hey, I think this might be a good idea for additive manufacturing, all the way through certifying that part for use on a vehicle. We work closely with Rock Island Arsenal, who is the Center of Excellence for Additive Manufacturing for the Army. So they have all of the state-of-the-art equipment in their facility, and we work with them hand in hand to design and print and manufacture these parts. Right now, what we're doing is we're seeing parts that were taking years to get into the soldiers' hands. We're turning those parts around in weeks or months. So the speed at which we can change, iterate those designs, and improve upon them is vastly faster than it used to be.
We're the integrators of autonomy. So autonomy is how we make the vehicles move without having soldier input. And this enables us to keep the soldiers away from the front line and preferably away from the danger. Ground Vehicle Robotics has a lot of demonstrations coming up this year. Project Convergence 21 is coming up. That's going to be showing off our leader-follower technologies, our Project Origin technologies, and our America technology. Those three are going to be demonstrated, and then we're also going to leverage it as an EET 2.5 for the cover program to get some test data results out of that as well. We also have RCV 2.0, which is going to be an SOE or Soldier Operational Event. This gives the soldiers a chance to get their hands on the technology. This will allow us to get a lot more clear requirements and feedback to help us build formal requirements for future programs. Working in GVR has enabled me to really see how the Army is modernizing their fleet and focusing on autonomy and how that's really helping the soldier. It's one of the few areas where you're really able to see that direct benefit.
The Powertrain Electrification Group is a part of three branches that are a part of the Vehicle Electrification Group. So the other two branches are Energy Storage Systems and Fuel Cell Technologies. So together we're the Vehicle Electrification Division, and that's a part of GVSC, which is a part of DevCom. There's really three reasons to electrify. It's about improved operational duration, enabling silent watch and silent mobility to a big degree, and then it's about enabling advanced warfighting capabilities. We don't really care how much, what's our fuel economy. What we really care about is operational duration and not having to be resupplied every 3 days. We want to get all the way out to 7 days without resupply. The silent watch and silent mobility, how silent are we? Well, a fully electrified vehicle, if we could go all the way to battery electric, is going to have 50 times the silent watch capability. I've literally watched the thermal imaging of an electric vehicle relative to a Humvee. The Humvee stands out bright as can be on the thermal imager, and the electric vehicle at the right direction with the right guards on it was not visible. And then the last about enabling warfighting capabilities, it's capabilities like directed energy weapons to do counter rocket artillery and UAVs. It's about mobile radar, command and control on the move, high-power jamming, high-power communications. All those systems need lots of electrical power. So our hunger for power is really a hunger for warfighting capability. The thing I like the most is my ability to help shape where the Army's going with electrification. That's fun. I mean, having a chance to architect where you go for the future and then make that happen is a lot of fun.
We look to partner with companies of all sizes, traditional, non-traditional defense industry partners, academia, nonprofit organizations, and other government agencies. We look to get them involved by having them understand our technology gaps, and then we look to create the right partnership mechanism, which could be a cooperative research and development agreement, could be a small business innovation research, a test service agreement, and one of our many other partnership agreements. I think companies looking for one-on-one time with our government teams should really look to attend our in-person or virtual events such as our Michigan Defense Expo or our Ground Vehicle Systems Engineering and Technology Symposium. They can also partner with us by connecting with us on our website or linking with us on our social media platforms or coming into GVSC and trying to do business with us by talking to our tech SMEs one-on-one.